Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The government is moving ahead with another phase of the Kingston Harbour Walk project as it ramps up efforts to transform the capital's waterfront. The development comes amid broader ambitions to position Jamaica as a host for major international events, including co-hosting the 2031 Women's World Cup. Sandy Williams reports.
Kingston Harbour, one of the largest natural harbours in the world, is at the centre of a major push to reshape the capital's image. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, speaking at the contract signing for Segment 2 of the Harbour Walk project, says the initiative marks a critical step forward. The project is part of a wider plan to modernise Kingston's waterfront, creating a more attractive, functional space for residents and visitors alike. But the development is tied into a much bigger vision.
Jamaica is part of a bid to host the Women's World Cup in 2031. Again, I want us as Jamaicans to stop thinking small-minded and think big.
While Jamaica is currently part of a bid to co-host the global tournament, Dr. Holness says the country must begin preparing now, especially when it comes to infrastructure. Central to that preparation is the upgrade of the National Stadium complex.
We are hopeful that work will start next year, 2027, and that we could be finished by 2029, 2030, but at least be finished in time to be an effective host. If the bid is accepted, it is only a bid at this moment, but at least we must show the ambition to host.
And it's not just about sports. The Prime Minister says Jamaica must be ready to welcome thousands of visitors, not only for football, but for other major international events.
We need to have more things than just the stadium. Thousands of people will be coming. We need to be able to show them a good front yard.
With Kingston expected to serve as a main host city, developments like the Harbour Walk project are seen as key to enhancing the capital's appeal on the global stage. As Jamaica positions itself for major international opportunities, projects like the Kingston Harbour Walk are being viewed as critical investments in the country's global competitiveness. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.